alternator is charging low. It's only charging to about 12.4, 12.6. So nice and simple job. Basically you take the belt off, 19mm spanner on the tensioner pulley, take the belt off, one bolt down here, one bolt up here, one of them goes here, the long one goes here, the short one goes there. Obviously disconnect the battery, disconnect the positive, disconnect the connector, and then as you're taking the battery out, you've got like a cover. Where did I put it? I had it over here a second ago. That's right. So you got this cover, two bolts, two 10mm on the back, right here, and then you've got like a connector for the, I'm pretty sure that goes to the AC compressor. Basically you take this, got this little bracket that's also bolted on there, right here. So you slide that off and then done. Put the new one in, that should fix our issue as well.